Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood, but so important: women's sexual health. Whether you have questions about your body, want to learn more about staying healthy, or simply need reassurance, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics of sexual health, common myths, and practical tips to help you feel empowered and informed. Let's get started. Let's define what we mean by sexual health. Women's sexual health is about more than just reproduction. It includes physical, emotional, and social well-being related to sexuality. That means understanding your body, maintaining healthy relationships, and feeling confident in your choices. It's not just about avoiding illness. It's about creating a positive and respectful attitude toward your body and your sexuality. And remember, sexual health isn't one size fits all. What's right for one person may not be right for another. Women's sexual health has often been surrounded by stigma, cultural taboos, and lack of proper education. Many women feel embarrassed to talk about issues like libido, discomfort, or even regular gynecological visits. This silence leads to misinformation, shame, and missed opportunities to address common concerns. But here's the truth: talking about sexual health is a form of self-care, and you deserve to have your questions answered. Let's start with a quick refresher on female anatomy. It's important to know the basics because understanding your body is the first step to better sexual health. The vulva includes all the external parts. Yes, the vulva, not the vagina. The vagina is the canal leading to the cervix and uterus. And the clitoris? It's much more than the tiny tip you see. It's an intricate structure that plays a big role in pleasure. Now, let's talk about common sexual health concerns. Low libido, or a decreased sex drive, is one of the most common issues among women. It can happen for many reasons: hormonal changes, stress, or even medications. If you're experiencing low libido, remember it's normal and it's okay to seek help. Start by talking to your doctor or a therapist who specializes in sexual health. Next, your vagina has a delicate balance of bacteria that keep it healthy. Factors like douching, scented products, or antibiotics can upset this balance, leading to infections like yeast infections or bacterial vaginosis. Here's a tip: avoid harsh soaps. Wash with warm water or a gentle cleanser specifically made for intimate areas. And never ignore unusual symptoms like odor or discomfort. See your gynecologist if something feels off. Pain during intercourse, also known as dyspareunia, is another issue many women face but rarely talk about. It can stem from physical causes like dryness or psychological ones like anxiety. The good news is that there are solutions. Lubricants can help with dryness, while therapy can address emotional barriers. Don't suffer in silence. Talk to your healthcare provider. Building healthy habits is key to maintaining sexual health. First, prioritize regular gynecological checkups. Pap smears, STI screenings, and pelvic exams help catch potential issues early. Don't skip these appointments. They're your chance to ask questions and stay proactive about your health. Second, communicate with your partner. Open communication is key to a healthy sex life. Talk about preferences, boundaries, and any concerns you have. A healthy relationship starts with trust and understanding. And third, practice safe sex. Using protection isn't just about avoiding pregnancy. It's also about preventing sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Condoms, dental dams, and regular testing protect both you and your partner. Finally, let's not forget the emotional side of sexual health. Feeling good about yourself and your body is just as important as physical health. Practices like mindfulness, self-compassion, and even therapy can help you build a healthier relationship with your body and sexuality. Understanding your sexual health is a journey, but it's one that leads to empowerment. When you know your body and take charge of your health, you unlock confidence and vitality. Thank you for joining me today to explore women's sexual health. Remember, your body is unique and deserves care and respect. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and leave your questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your health.